back, everyone back. Sorry, President. Now, lovely.
Cameras, please.
Just lovely. Thanks, Mrs. Higgins. Monica, looking here. President.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your patience as well. We were delayed inside.